Cason's aunt. This is my cousin Isaiah. Almost his first birthday. They're both 3 months apart. Look at him. He said, let me down. Step down. Down.
That was on one of our little shopping haul videos. That was earlier in the year. And then I love this little guy. I've been on the lookout for him and I couldn't find him. Did you get him this year or did you have him last year?
I had him last year. A couple months ago. I got it from a local furniture store called the Lineage House.
And I know they do not ship. Like off the airport exit.
The Shelby Airport exit.
If you are local, they have really pretty furniture pieces. But we love the sectional. This is why we're coming over here to have a movie
This
night.
rug at Home Goods on sale.
It looks so good in here. And then look, you'll see whenever we start watching our movie, this is how she has it on wheels. And it opens up. This is the coolest little sectional in Ottoman. Me and Miss Althea loved it. It opens up. She puts her like blankets in there, the boys' toys. And since we took away their toys, they're playing with the coasters right now. So that's what you're hearing. But I love this. It makes it like a huge bed. So we're about to be so cozy watching Practical Magic. Is that what we're gonna watch?
Pumpkin candle holders from Kirkland's and the orange candlesticks from Hobby Lobby. Orange pumpkins from Home Goods. And then I had those salt and pepper shakers last year. And the flowers came from Hobby Lobby.
I love your little table setup. It's so pretty.
Kirkland's. I got it last year.
I love how she has her little bar cart set up.
I got that house from Cracker Barrel, actually.
She got it last year, and if you watch her last year video, it makes a lot of noise, but it lights up and it projects something on the ceiling too, right?
Yeah, on the back of the wall.
On the back of the wall.
Yeah. Don't throw it. Oh, good job. Thank you. Holding a pumpkin at the She Shack in Jemison one night when we had a girls painting night.
It is so cute. and took the boys to check on the cows. Y'all let us know in the comments down below some very fun Halloween movies that aren't too spooky, because that's my favorite. I'm going to be sharing with y'all a very fun and easy spooky soup recipe. We're going to make it spooky. And this was so delicious, my first time ever making it. But it's a creamy chicken soup with noodles and spinach. I like to cut up all of my veggies before I rinse them off. Let me know in the comments down below, which way do you do it first? Do you rinse off all your veggies and then prep them? Or do you cut them all up and then rinse them off? I kind of think from the little videos that I watch that I do it backwards. So I would like to know in the comments down below which way that you do it. This brand of chicken is my favorite. It is so good. So I'm cheating and I'm going to be using these already cooked but frozen chicken breast slices in here. And it tastes so phenomenal. I love how this chicken tastes. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. Making a new festive soup in my little pumpkin cast iron was one of my things off of my bucket list that I really wanted to do before the fall season was over. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a fall bucket list and what all else do you have to check off of it. We still have the pumpkin patch. We still have so much to do. This past weekend, Drew and Kaysen were not feeling well, so we have a lot of catching up to do this weekend. This is how we're going to make the soup a little bit spooky. So I got these little Halloween pasta noodles at TJ Maxx. So we're going to add these into the soup just to make it a little bit more festive. This is also a great idea for dinner for Halloween, so you could go ahead and have the soup ready. You could even do it in a crock pot, and then you can have you a bowl of soup before you head out with your family trick-or-treating. It is so delicious, and again, such a little festive, easy meal, and I wanted to share it with y'all on today's video. So let me know in the comments down below if you tried it or if you're going to try it, and let me know how you liked it.
Gold birds, gold string, gold words.
There's this little spooky house beside us, so we decided to go check it out tonight. And on the weekends, they do like a little fog machine, and it looks so spooky. So we're going to go back there on the weekend and see what it looks like. But I was going to share with y'all all the little lights. Kaysen loved it. Had somebody knock really hard at our front door.
Chocolate bar. Alright. Put it back in there? Yep.
I hope that y'all enjoyed this little Halloween vlog. We had so much fun today, and I'm so excited to share with y'all. Did you have fun too? We have lots more festive things coming up and one more home tour, so y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button. Y'all be sure in the comments down below to let Addison know how much that y'all loved her home and if y'all want to go back to see a Christmas home tour. Also, we're almost a week away from trick-or-treating, so I want y'all in the comments down below to guess what y'all think Kaysen's going to be for Halloween. And I will see you guys on the very next one. God bless, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, friends.